Alright, what's up? We are here in 29 Palms. I'm going to be doing another real estate photography shoot. So this is going to be my third straight real estate photography slash street photography shoot. I just got to the place, so I haven't really looked around yet, but this place is pretty cool. It's small, but like it's cool. So yeah, like always, my first thing I do when I pull up to a property is turn on the lights. So looks like that's not working. But yeah, let's turn on the lights. This place is pretty small, so it's gonna be a quick shoot, but the place is small, but the place is cool. I actually really like it. So yeah, let's open the blinds. Okay. Yes, so that was one room, the bathroom, and then there's like this sunroom area, the laundry room. It's right here. Where are the lights for that? Oh, probably this. Yeah. And then there's here the backyard. Okay, yeah, so small place, but the place is cool. Okay, so now I got all the lights on. So now it's time to set up my drone so I can take some drone shots. Okay, got the drone all set up. I could film myself doing the drone shots, but the neighbors have like some crazy dogs out there and they're all barking, so I'm just gonna try to do the drone shots real quick and just get back in the house. So yeah, BRB, gonna do the drone shots real quick. Alright, back after doing my drone shots. Since I didn't film myself, I'll just show the drone shots right now real quick. Yeah, the neighbor's dog is annoying. It's all barking all loud and being all aggressive. It's like a big old like pit bull, so like it's looking like a scary dog too, but yeah, that dog's annoying. But yeah, all done with the drone shots. So let me pack this up real quick and then set up my camera so we could start shooting. Alright, got my camera all set up. Now it is time to start shooting. Alright, let's go outside. And freaking annoying ass dog is all gonna be barking at us. So let's try to be quick with the outside pics. Low-key, I'm not even gonna get an angle. From that angle because the dog is being annoying. front door, so let's get a quick pic of the front door. Okay, now the inside. This is a very small place, so this isn't gonna take that long. Let me open this. Okay, let me get an angle. I wonder how much it's gonna cost. Sure, I wouldn't mind having this as like, I don't think I'd want to live here full time, but as a little like side house, it's not that bad. Here's the bathroom, so cool. Okay, now the bedroom. Okay. I'm gonna leave that. I don't know if you can see this on the GoPro, but there's an annoying dog. I don't blame him though. He's just doing what dogs do, protecting his house. That dog? Like say you're to buy this house, like say you're like at a open house and you're at this house and that dog is all barking like that, man, that can't be good. But like I said, I understand the dog. No hate to the dog, but that dog is annoying. now the backyard. Now we're gonna get barked at by the dog. So there he goes. Got this little shed area. Okay, let's try to be quick here. Okay, that's it for this shoot. As you saw in the backyard, I didn't get all the angles I wanted exactly because of the freaking dogs, but yeah, all in all, cool shoot. This is a pretty cool place. It's small, but it's cool. I like it. And yeah, third straight street photography / real estate photography shoot. I love doing these kind of shoots because it's like a 2-in-1. I'm doing my business work plus doing the street photography work at the same time. So yeah, that's it for this shoot, and until next time.